If you want the ultimate protection for your Google Pixel 7 Pro, then stick around, because today we're going to be installing the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. When you open the box, you'll find 2 screen protectors, an installation frame, protection stickers for the buttons and ports, some adhesive, cleaning pack, UV light, and also a camera protector. The very first thing you'll need to do to start this installation is turn off your device. This is so the device doesn't start lighting up during the installation, which can make it very difficult to find any last bits of dust. Now, if you take the black stickers and carefully place one on the bottom of the device, making sure you cover up the charging port and speakers, then repeat the process on the top of the phone to cover up the microphone, then on the side to cover up the buttons, then on the other side for the SIM card tray. This will protect them against any adhesive overspill. Next, take the installation tray and foam inserts. Insert the foam inserts into the frame. Now you can put your phone into the tray. Make sure the tray is the correct way up when doing this. Next up, you're going to need to clean the screen. Grab the included wet wipe and wipe any oil and debris off the screen. Take your time doing this too. After all, you don't want to find you've missed something after the installation. Next, use the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen of your device. Do so until no smears remain and the screen is completely dry. Lastly, get your dust stickers and dab them onto the screen. Also, take your time here and get everything off the screen. Now you'll need to remove the back off the earpiece protector and place it onto the frame and phone. Then grab the plastic holder and place it onto the frame to keep it in place. Then you can slide in this black plastic insert, which will hold the screen protector up. Now you need to insert this plastic bridge, which will hold the adhesive above the screen and allow it all to pour out. Now grab your adhesive and take off the pink cap. Place it into the bridge over the screen. Now you'll need to carefully undo the black cap, at which point gravity will take effect and the adhesive will pour out. Wait 30 seconds for it all to pour out. Once the adhesive is poured out, you can remove the bridge and tube. Now take the screen protector and carefully remove the back from it. Place the bottom of it at the bottom of the screen and rest the top part on the black plastic tab. Now you need to rock the frame so the adhesive runs down to the screen until it gets to the middle of the phone. Once it does, pull the black plastic tab out at the top so the top of the screen protector falls down. At this point, the adhesive will spread. Now set a timer for 110 seconds for the adhesive to make its way all around the screen. While this is happening, grab the UV light and a power source for it. Then, once the 110 seconds is up, you'll need to place the UV light over the top of the phone and press the button once. The UV light will be on for 15 seconds. Then you'll need to repeat this process for the middle and bottom. At this point, you can remove the phone from the installation frame. The next step is to remove the protective strips from the top, bottom, and sides of the phone. Now grab another wipe and wipe all sides of the phone to remove any adhesive. When all excess adhesive is removed, bring the UV lamp back and place it on the top of the phone screen. Then press the button twice to set it for 60 seconds. This step should be repeated on the middle for the same 60 seconds, then repeat one more time for 60 seconds on the bottom. Once this is done, turn your phone back on. At this point, it's important that you go to your settings and re-add your fingerprint with the screen protector installed. Also, with the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector, you get a camera lens protection film too. To install this, follow the same cleaning procedure as earlier. Then peel off the clear backing and carefully place it down. Now, starting with the right hand side, lift towards the center of the phone using your thumb as a midpoint. Once you reach this midpoint, apply a small amount of pressure to the direction you started from. Next, turn the phone around and repeat the steps above to remove the final piece of film. Now, carefully remove the top layer. So that's it. You've successfully installed your Whitestone Dome screen protector. Now, while we know that these screen protectors come in a little bit more expensive than some, with Whitestone Dome you don't only get the assurance that it's Google certified, but it's one of the few screen protectors I've seen where the manufacturer gives a lifetime warranty with it. The best thing about it, from my point of view, is that it looks nice and clean without any circle where the fingerprint reader normally sits. Thanks for watching this installation video. If you want to purchase this screen protector, please head to the links down below. And if you haven't already done so, we'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button while you're down there too.